Hey there, happy Friday, and thank you for clicking. Stick around, because up next, we're talking the Houston Promise, the special recognition at last night's board meeting, plus new CTE pathways for students, an engaging event for parents called Beyond the Grade, dyad classes at Thomas Middle School, and how HISD is getting ready for cold and flu season, plus a quick update on the boys basketball tournament. Let's get into it. It is Friday, December 12th. So last night was our board meeting right here at the Hattie Mae White Educational Support Center. The meeting featured updates on district initiatives and highlights from our schools. We also took a moment to recognize some very special partners. Take a look. Houston Promise partners were welcomed at a reception that we had in our Family Connection Center with Superintendent Mike Miles and the HISD Board of Managers also on hand to celebrate their commitment. Now, these community, nonprofit, faith-based, and business partners are helping schools on the path to academic excellence. The Houston Promise is our call to action to get every school to an A or B rating by 2027. Partners support campuses through teacher and student celebrations, campus beautification projects, and much more. To learn more or to get involved, go to our website, houstonisd.org, and click on the Houston Promise button right on the home page. Well, yesterday we shared some exciting news with you about how we're expanding our career and technical education pathways. And today we're taking a closer look at those pathways. Students can dive into pathways like health, trades, human services, IT, and engineering with hands-on programs from pharmacy to diagnostics, pharmacy and diagnostics that is, to welding, culinary arts, cybersecurity, and even robotics.
This program it's an incredible opportunity that we just really haven't had in the past. And what we're trying to do right now is expand it, grow it, and make sure that every single student that leaves HISD leaves with a fantastic option for whatever it is they want to do. If they want to go to college, that's fantastic. We've got ways to get you there. If they want to leave and they want to go and work in a trade, we've got that for you as well too. And so really what we're trying to do is build an opportunity for students that no matter what they want to do when they leave us, they can do whatever their family might need. We have a path for that student to get there, and we're going to make sure they end up in that place no matter what.
Many of these programs are happening at the Barbara Jordan Career Center, our central CTE hub. They're preparing students for high-demand, high-paying careers. And with these expanded offers, there's never been a better time to dive into CTE.
As a student athlete, I always wanted to go to college, but I never knew when I wanted to study. And if I complete this, I'm gonna have 2 years of boarding experience and also dual credits. So I plan to go to college to also take this either as a side hustle or as a full-time job. I think it's really good for not only for the district but also for students. It gives a lot of other children just more opportunities just to expand on their career choices.
And these are the type of programs our families can explore at our School Choice Fair. Remember, School Choice Phase 1 is now open. Tomorrow's fair is at Mickey Leland from 9 a.m. until noon. If you have any questions, want to see the schools and programs, or if you just need some help filling out the application, this event is for you. Remember, you have until February 27th to submit or make any edits to your Phase 1 application. Here are the rest of the key dates to keep in mind. Phase 1 lottery results go out in April. Our Family and Community Engagement Team, or FACE, brought its Beyond the Grades experience to Bonner Elementary. Beyond the Grades helps families understand how their school is performing and the steps our schools are taking to keep raising student achievement. And these photos show exactly what that looked like yesterday at Bonner. Families visited classrooms, saw students fully engaged in learning, and then met with Principal Moreno and the FACE team to talk about simple ways to support learning at home. Bonner kicked things off with a great start.
Thomas Middle School in Southeast Houston is making big strides and quickly.
Well, check out our brand new story on Thomas Middle School now up on our YouTube channel. Principal Shanika Mitchell shares the dyad classes offered at her school and why her students are really enjoying them. These specialty courses give students a chance to build skills, explore new interests, and connect their learning to the real world. And while you're here, you can see all the other stories that we did on Thomas in this playlist. And if you're from Thomas Middle School, that is, and from the Thomas Middle School community, be sure to like and share these videos. We truly appreciate it. Well, this morning at Scarborough High School, HISD highlighted our efforts to prepare for cold and flu season to keep our schools healthy. Our facilities team, custodians, and school staff are taking proactive steps to prevent the spread of illness, all while ensuring students' learning continues uninterrupted.
First thing in the morning, soon I open the building, check the restrooms, make sure everything been sanitized, then check the classrooms, make sure every single desk is being disinfected, wiping, and that is part of my routine daily.
I just want the parents to be aware of this and to give them the information that the students are going to be safe in the campus with our staff, having the campus clean and disinfected for them.
Before we go, good luck to several of our student athletes. The boys basketball tournament continues tonight, and there's some key matchups after round one. In the Platinum Division, Heights will take on Westside, while Wheatley will take on Lamar. The winner will then move on to the division championship. In the Gold Division, Yates will take on Willis, and Madison will take on Leland. The winners will then meet at Delmar for the Gold Division championship. In the Silver Division, Westbury is moving on to take on Milby, while Worthing will take on Fur. The winner will then compete for the division championship at 11:30 a.m. on Saturday at Delmar. And finally, in the Bronze Division, it's Chavez and Austin going head-to-head tonight. The winner of this game will take on the winner of the Houston MSTC and Wisdom game. For more on all of these games, we caught up with Athletic Director Andre Walker. He's breaking down the games for us and much more. The video is up on our YouTube page right now. Well, that does it for us today on HISD Now. Thank you so much for connecting with us, and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps out our channel. We hope you have a great weekend. We'll see you Monday.